Hi everyone. Today I'm proud to announce version 2.0 of my VTLDAPQuery tool. Now over the many years that I've been in IT, I've been doing lots and lots of queries to Active Directory to get certain information out. What I found though over time is that you don't remember exactly what the query looks like. You have to start going online and searching for different types of queries to get the type of data that you want. Most likely it's actually something you've already searched for before, so you should probably remember that query. But the structure of LDAP queries aren't the prettiest, so it's not as easy to remember. So that's why I created this particular tool. So it allows you to actually put in your LDAP path, your username, your password, the type of query, the property that you want to get back, and then the scope as well. Now, looking at this particular example, we have the find all groups query. It's a pretty simple one, just looking for an object class that's equal to group. And if we do run, it gives me 84 results, and you can see them all there. Now, some of the things that I've added to this tool is that now you can save the results. So I can click on save and actually go down to a particular location and save that to a file. It just saves it as a text file. A few other things I've added is I now have a browse button here. So you have the ability to click on browse and actually go through an LDAP browser. So maybe rather than doing at the root of your Active Directory, you can actually go down to specific OUs and CNs if you need to query at deeper levels as well. So that's a good one. That's a feature that's been requested for a while, and I finally put that in. So hopefully you guys will find that useful. Another thing that I've added is you'll notice we've changed from LDAP property that we want to get back to properties. I now support a comma delimited set of properties that you want to get back. So as you saw when I ran this query, I got all the group names. If I want to say get all the group names and their descriptions, I can put in comma description, click on run query, and now you'll see I've got all the names of the groups and also the description of each one. For example, DHCP users, members who have view-only access to the DHCP service. And you can have as many properties that you want to get back. So those are some of the important features that have come up and been requested. So I've put that in. I've also added a couple other things. These have been around for a while, but I just wanted to stress some of the importance of these. Is the ability to actually import and export your queries. So for example, if you have a friend who also needs this sort of functionality, they can use this tool rather than having them build up all the queries. You can actually export the existing ones that you have. Note that when you do export these, it does not take your LDAP path, your username and password. All this sort of stuff is kept locally on your machine. It's encrypted to your machine specifically, so this sort of stuff is not movable. You'll have to move that along. The other thing you can do is you do have the ability to add other LDAP paths if you want to. So you can have multiple if you have multiple environments that you want to query. So hopefully this is helpful to you guys. I've also added a little bit of functionality behind the scenes in that it's now going to actually periodically check when you run the app back to my site to see if there's a new version available, and it will let you know down at the bottom right, letting you know that there's a particular new version available, and you can go and download that. So hopefully this is helpful. There is a page where you most likely download this on my website, so feel free to add your comments or any thoughts, or email me if you have some ideas or you want some extra features. So thanks for using the app, and hope to hear from you with any new functionality that you guys might find useful.